This one's dedicated to Big LT and the reality of life.
Take a moment, smoke a bowl, let's talk about life. What's this? Simply reality of life. Now death to the motherfucker that causes strife. R.I.P. Uncle Roy, God bless your wife. R.I.P. Uncle Mark, God bless your wife. I guess we can't call him in this life of strife. Now my pops was there when Uncle Roy got buried, so my pops was there when Sheila got married. Represent for his brother, aka best friend. I was there for myself in big house in the pen. In this life of sin, it takes me jet to get by. No lie, I steady blaze and forever stay high. Don't try to understand it, this life you can't plan it. Just don't take it for granted. Life, to live while you live, death, to get what you get, pain. The reality of change, I wonder whether things will ever get better. I wonder whether things will ever get better. I wonder whether things will ever get better. Every day, there's more people, there's more ways to take me away and if I
Ja, man!
I ask you, please don't go.